before clay were made to form the body of man. There were creations of smokeless fire and creations of light. They live in the veins of man, influencing every decision. They stand side by side with man, writing and recording every deed. As long as man lives, this fact will remain. The world is old, and a time of chaos will arrive before it dies. Man's will and faith are going to be tested and put to the sword. A false Messiah will come, and promises will be made. Godly claims, godlike powers will be shown. Men are forced to flee, to fight, to choose, and to die for a side. When the smoke clears, the world will cease to exist, and man will find out what he has done in his lifetime. This has been written. The world